Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Don't Quit. Today, we're sharing effortless weight loss tips tailored for busy professionals. Balancing work, family, and personal well-being can be challenging. Many professionals struggle to prioritize health and weight loss amidst their busy schedules. Planning and meal prepping are essential for busy professionals. Try easy, nutritious meal ideas prepared in advance. When dining out, opt for healthier choices. Incorporating movement into a busy day is crucial for weight loss. Short, efficient workouts and activities like walking meetings can make a difference. Managing stress and prioritizing self-care are vital for successful weight loss. Practice mindfulness, set boundaries, and ensure adequate sleep and hydration. Adopting sustainable habits is key for long-term weight loss success. Experiment with the tips provided and find what works best for your lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Prioritize your health despite your busy schedule. Subscribe for more tips on leading a healthy and balanced life as a busy professional. Thank you for your support.